Hello everyone, I go by the name Manuel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use my school-based assessment management system. This is a modern web-based system that works online and is accessible on mobile phones, tablets, laptops and desktops, so you can manage your school data anytime, anywhere. With this system, you can easily manage student records, enter scores, generate broadsheets and produce report cards efficiently. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use all the features. Let's get started. Alright guys, so as I said, this works online and you just need a single URL before you can use the system. Okay, so when you get the URL or the link, it will take you to this landing page, this beautiful landing page. Now this is where students, admin and teachers can access the system. Okay, so I'll be logging in as admin and teacher, then we talk about the features before I come back to where students can also check their report card. When you follow my mouse pointer here, you see an admin portal button. You click on it, then it will take you to admin and teacher login page. So over here you enter your username, then password, and you click on sign in. All right, so I have logged in as administrator, and once you log in as administrator, this is how the portal looks like. All right, you have a beautiful dashboard where you can see the total student, the total classes, total subjects, and results records. Okay, you can see all the classes available here on your dashboard, then recent student. Okay, so if you're an admin and you visit your portal, what you need to do first is just go to your settings. Now when it comes to the settings, this is where you enter the school information. All right, so you enter the school name, address, email, phone number, the headmaster name. You upload the school logo, watermark. If you want to use the same logo as a watermark, you upload it, school stamp, headmaster signature. Then we have the academic and term settings here that you need to activate them. All right, so we have current term. You select the current term, then academic here, you select it, then you set it active, you set the active year active. Okay, then we have the vacation date. You need to set the vacation date and the reopening date, then you toggle it to activate it. Then we have this auto generate student ID, where you need to enter your ID prefix. Okay, so if your school is my school, you can change it to MYS, any prefix that you set it, and it will be generated. The ID will be generated automatically. You set your score entry configuration. So we have the max class score. You can set it to any figure you want. It can be 30, then you come and set your max exam score. It can be 70. It depends on the school. Then we have SMS API configuration. Obviously be sending SMS to parents and all that, so you need to set your API. All right, so we have SMS provider here. We have Haptel, we have Akisel, we have M-Notify, then we have Regal. You set it, then you enter the sender ID, then you put in there, or you enter the API key. You get it from these companies' website, then you put it in here, and you are good to go. Then if you're a class teacher, and then if you're a headmaster, you can also custom your class teacher remarks here and the headmaster remarks here. Then we have global fee component. If you want to generate bill for your students for next academic term, this is where you enter the headers. Yeah, then we have display options. You need to toggle it over here. If you want to show overall position on the report card, you can toggle it to appear or not to appear. Okay, then we have themes and color. You can change the themes and the color of your web app. Then we have full system backup. You can prepare backup, then you can download backup as CSV file. Then we have security. This is where admin can change password. Okay. So after you are done with your settings, you go to students. Now there's where you add students to the system. Okay, so I have been able to add some few students over here, and you can filter them. You can set students. You can filter them by classes or genders. You can set your page navigation numbers anyhow you want it. If you want to print the records, you can be able to print it, the records here. You can export the records to CSV file. You can also import a CSV file. And if you want to add a student, you click this add button here, then enter the student information here. Once you are done with the student, you go to result entry. Now over here, we have, since you are an administrator and you are managing all the classes, you select a class you want to enter the scores for them. Reason is that in case the class teacher is not around, you the admin can also acting as what the class teacher to enter the scores for that class. Okay, so let's say basic 1 teacher didn't come to school, right? So okay, let's say basic 1 teacher didn't come to school, so you select basic 1, then select the year and the term you are currently working with. Then it's going to load all the subjects. Then you click the subject and you enter the scores here. Okay, so let me go. Okay, so this is how it works. So you see all the basic 1 students here, then you enter the class score and the exam score, then you save. Okay, for all the subjects. You have class summary and records here. You can click on it, then it's going to give you the overview table of the summary for basic 1. Okay, so there is it. Then we also have student performance. You can see each student's performance here as well. We have remarks and conduct. You can select the class you want to give the remarks and conduct and select the term and the year. So once selected correctly, each student's interest, conduct, attitude to work, and attendance are going to be displayed here, and they are all drop down. You can select from the drop down list here, or you can choose to customize your own remarks. All right. Okay, so we have the talents or interest, conduct, attitude to work, then the attendance. You can set the attendance day for the student. Then we have master sheet. With the master sheet too, you select the class, you select the year, then you select the term. Then you load the master sheet. Once you load the master sheet, you are going to see all the performances. All right, for each subject, see the total and the average for all of them. Okay, yes. Now when you get to master sheet, you see this CT remark. That's the class teacher remarks. So you can also select it for the student. You see the HM remarks, based on for the headmaster remarks. You select it, then you're good to go. You save the remarks, then boom. At master sheet, you can choose to preview the report card here. So once you click on preview, you can preview the report card. You can send the SMS, the report card as SMS to the parents as well. Right. Then we have the cumulative record here. So with the cumulative record, if you want to check student's cumulative record, you enter the student ID here. Then you select the year. Then you load the cumulative record. Yes, so you see the cumulative record for term 1, term 2, term 3 in that particular year. Then we have fees and bills. Now you enter the fees for each student here, then you save it. We have the headers here. You can choose to add header. You can choose to delete a header here. Okay, so let's say if I want to delete computer fee, I easily delete it. If I want to add it, I just enter computer fee, then click on add, and it to be added to the header. All right, yeah. Then we have the classes. Yes, so the system can auto generate the classes. If you don't want to be adding the classes let's say one by one, you can click on the auto generate classes, then it will generate all the classes from kindergarten 1 to basic 9. All right, then we have subject per class. Each class has its own subject. Okay, so when the classes are activated, you go to the subject per class, then you generate a default subject. Okay, or you can choose to add the subjects by yourself or manually. Then we have the grading system. Okay, when you go to the grading system side, you can enter your own grading system. Okay, set your own grading system for kindergarten to primary. Then JHS, I think JHS grading system is different from preschool and primary. All right, so you go to JHS, then you set the grading system. Then we have the preview report card. So with the preview report card, if you want to see the report card for all students, it is very simple. You come to the preview report card, then you select academic year, you select the term, then you select the class, then you select the student. Okay. Then we have templates here you can choose from, either classic navy, royal purple, or forest green. Then you click on preview, and it is going to load the report card for you. So this is how the report card looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay. Then we have bulk print. So since you're an administrator and you want to print the report card, let's say you are dealing with time, okay, you can't be printing a report card individually. Okay, so you want to print it in bulk. All right, you can do so. You come to select the class, you select the year, then you select the term you are working with, then you load all the report card, and the system is going to load all the report card for you to print them out. So there is it. The system has been able to load all the report card for basic 1. Yes. Now you will see print all button here. You click on print all button here. Then if your laptop or your PC is connected to your printer, you print it direct. Okay. Then we have messages here. Teachers can contact admin or message admin on their system. Okay, it's like a chat, chatting place. Okay, so the teacher can also message admin in case the teacher is finding difficulties or want to ask question or something like that. Okay, then admin can also reply them back. Then we have the SMS notification over here. This is where you want to send message to parents concerning the report card. You can do so. We have export and import. You can download student records, results records, and import students. All right, then you can manage teachers. This is where you add teachers, okay, to the system. So if you're an administrator, you have to add teachers to the system. So you click on add teacher, they enter their credentials, give them default password, then assign them to a class, then you save the record. We have, okay, so this is how the admin system works. We have the activity logs. Whatever you do on the system, it gives you logs. Okay, it's being recorded onto the system and about your system. Okay, so this is for admin side. Okay, so if you're a teacher and you want to use the system, this is how the system works for you. Okay, so you click on the admin portal button, then I'm going to log in as a teacher that I added. So okay, so if you're a teacher, then you sign in, it takes you to this beautiful portal as well. Okay, so you have your dashboard to see the total students in your class, then your classes, total subjects, and students records. All right, okay, so when you go to the students section or the student page, you are going to see all the students in your class. You can't add students. It is only admin that can do that. Okay, then we have results entry. So when you go to the results entry, the class field is it is selected automatically. You just need to select the term you are working with and the year, then recording. Okay, so once you select and everything is perfect, all the subjects are going to show. The subjects in your class are going to show. So you click on the subject, then enter the scores here. Okay, then you save records. Okay, Then we have remarks and conduct for you. When you go to remarks and conduct, you select the term you are working with and you select the year. Then it's going to show all the remarks and the conduct for your students. Okay, so when you reach here, you are going to select the interest and talents as drop down for them, conduct for them, and attitude to work for them. Then you set the attendance day. Okay, so if students at the end of the term, if the students was present maybe 50 days, you put it there. Yeah, then out of will be set by admin. Okay, then we have the master sheet. You the teacher too can see the master sheet. So you select the term, select the year, then you load the master sheet. When you get the master sheet, you are going to do or select the class teacher remarks. Okay, so when you come here and scroll to your right, we have the CT remarks here. So this is where you select the CT remarks. Yeah, you select it here. Then we have cumulative records. The class teacher sees the cumulative of each student. Okay, so you enter the student's ID, you select the year, then you click on load cumulative records, and it is going to open or show the cumulative record for each student. Okay, then you have the preview report card just as admin. So you select the academic year, the term, you select your class, then you're going to see all your students available to preview their report card. Okay, so click on preview, then it is going to work as well. So if you're a class teacher, then you have printer in your classroom, you can print for your students as well. Then we have bulk print. Yes, if you want to print in bulk, you can do that. We print it for your students. So we have load all reports. You click on that, then it's going to load everything. Okay, it's going to load all the report card. Okay, so there's it. You see all your students report card, and if you have the printer by you, you can print all as well. We have messages. This is where you chat admin. Okay, so if you're confused about something, just send message to admin. Hey, then you send. Okay, then admin is going to see at his end, then reply, yeah, or chat back to you. Then we have settings here. You can upload your profile picture, you can change the theme and all that. Okay, so this is how the system also works for a teacher. Yeah, we have the reload or refresh button here. You can refresh the system. We have notification icon. Admin can send message and you see it here, or can post an announcement and you see it here. You can chat admin as well. Then we have AI chatbot that can be assistant to interact with. All right, okay, so if we're a student and a parent who want to check the report card using the system, this is how it works. Once you get the URL, the admin will share the URL with you together with the student ID. Okay, so once you get the URL with you, it will take you to this beautiful landing page where all the classes have been categorized. We have preschool, we have lower primary, upper primary, and JHS. Okay, so if your ward or you the students, your class falls under lower primary, you click on it, then you select your class, then you enter your student ID number, then you enter your full name here. So once you click on continue, it is going to ask you to verify by entering a verification code. So we enter the code here, 582555. Then you click on view report card. Then you're going to see your report card. Yes, you're going to see your report card. And it's not only report card you are going to see, you can also check your fee bill for next academic term. Okay, so you click on fee bill, then you check your fee bill here as well. You can choose to print a report card by clicking on print, then you print it out, or you can save it to your device as PDF. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. As you've seen, the system is flexible and works seamlessly across all devices, making school management system simple and convenient. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others. If you need any support and have any questions, you can contact me directly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.